Hey everyone! Are you tired of spending countless hours on content creation? Well, you're not alone. With the rise of social media, we all know how crucial it is to create eye-catching visuals quickly. Today, we're going to talk about an AI tool that can handle the heavy lifting for you, AKOOL. This handy platform is designed to simplify your creative process and free up your time for what really matters, bringing your ideas to life. Imagine this. You have a big deadline looming, you need engaging videos for your social media, but you're short on resources. What do? Well, this is where AKOOL steps in. It automates tasks like face swapping, video translation, and image generation. No fancy editing software needed, just a few clicks and you're golden. It's like having a personal assistant right there at your fingertips. Now, let's look at it from another angle. Traditional editing can cost you hundreds, even thousands, of dollars. A basic professional editing suite? Well, you could easily spend over $500 just to get started. With AKOOL, you can access powerful features for a fraction of that cost, allowing you to produce high-quality content without breaking the bank. And it doesn't just save you money, it saves you time too. AKOOL allows you to create impressive visuals quickly. I tried their face swap tool to transform into Jack Sparrow. Honestly, it was a blast. The results were surprisingly realistic. My face was swapped accurately, and I could adjust various features. Talk about fun. Who doesn't want to be a pirate for a day? With AKOOL, the creative possibilities are endless. Whether you're a social media manager, a marketer, or even an educator, this platform can cater to your unique needs. You can effortlessly produce videos that engage audiences and drive conversions. Are you ready to see your engagement skyrocket? AKOOL could be the answer you've been searching for. Let's dive into some key features. With AKOOL, you can swap faces seamlessly in images or videos, create customizable AI avatars with lip syncing, and even translate videos into 29 different languages. That's right. No more awkward subtitles or lost context when reaching out to global audiences. This feature alone can drastically improve how you connect with your viewers. However, not everything is perfect. For those using the free plan, you might experience longer wait times, so keep that in mind. It's hard to compete with an overwhelming demand for content when queues can delay your creative workflow. But let's be honest, for serious creators, investing in a paid plan can be worth it when you think about the time saved. AKOOL isn't the only kid on the block. There are other alternatives like PhotoLeap, DeepSwap, or Face Swap by Base Labs. Each has its perks. PhotoLeap focuses on artistic transformations, while DeepSwap is super fast for quick swaps. So if AKOOL isn't quite your style, you've got options to fit your specific needs. But don't just take my word for it. The user community around AKOOL is growing, and many are singing its praises for the quality and ease of use. Creators from all walks of life have shared their positive experiences, showing how it has transformed their projects into something remarkable. Imagine being able to create jaw-dropping content in a fraction of the time. When you elevate your content game, you not only enhance your personal brand, but can watch your audience engagement grow exponentially. Users report that their click-through rates and interactions increase when they utilize tools like AKOOL to generate vibrant visuals. What could you achieve with a powerful tool at your disposal? And while we're talking about impact, let's build a community around this. I'm here to hear from all of you. I want to know what works and what doesn't in this creative process. Your input is invaluable. I'm committed to making this channel the go-to place for all things AI and content creation. So feel free to drop suggestions in the comments. As we wrap up, let's remember that every like, comment, and share drives our mission forward. It's about supporting each other as creators in this fast-paced digital world. Whether you're turning into Jack Sparrow or simply aiming for a fresh perspective on your content, we're all on this journey together. Your voice matters. I love hearing success stories. There's something incredible about seeing how various creators use the same tool in different ways. Some are using AKOOL for educational videos that captivate students, while others focus on dynamic marketing campaigns. The diversity within our community only makes our shared experiences richer and more valuable. And speaking of community, don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on our weekly content creation tips and best practices. The journey to becoming a better creator doesn't stop here. With AKOOL and your input, we can create something innovative that keeps evolving. Stay tuned for my next video where we'll compare the top tools for face swapping in detail. You won't want to miss it. Be prepared to get insider secrets that could streamline your creative process even more. Until then, keep creating and pushing those boundaries. Remember, we're all in this together. Let's keep experimenting with our visuals and processes. AKOOL is just one of many tools that can help enhance your creativity. If you found value in this video, please like and share it with your fellow creators. Let's spread the word on how to elevate our content creation.